Hey y'all know I've been on YouTube for quite some time, right? So I actually have a lot of recipes that you haven't tried yet, and a lot of people have been asking for Salisbury steak, but little do they know, I've had this recipe up for 8 years. It's all right, we're gonna show you how I still make it. So in this bowl, I have my ground beef. I'm going to add in the egg. Followed by the egg, let's add in some plain breadcrumbs. Okay, these aren't the Italian flavored ones, they're just regular plain breadcrumbs. And now I'm adding in minced garlic. We're going to add in Worcestershire sauce, and then we are going to add in our seasoning. Now you can use salt-free seasoning like Miss Dash or something like that, or you can use seasoning salt. Okay, I'm using my hands to make sure everything is well combined. Give this video a thumbs up if you're enjoying it. If you appreciate free recipes, thumbs up. And once everything is nice and combined, I'm just going to use my hands to form patties. Now, y'all know I said this video was uploaded 8 years ago. I've always used my hands. I don't wear gloves because I'm cooking for my family. In this pan, I'm going to drizzle in some extra virgin olive oil or regular olive oil, whatever I had on hand at that time. And then I heat it up over medium or medium high heat. The exact measurements and the directions can be found on iHeartRecipes.com. You can print it out for free there. And then we're just going to fry each side until it looks just like so. Once done, we're going to remove the meat from the pan, place it on a plate or whatever else you have available. And you see me chop up the onions. Those are yellow onions. You can use white if you want. You can even use red, okay? You need onion. Now, like I mentioned, this was done in my little apartment. Whatever I had at the time is what I used, okay? So I want you to do the same. We're going to fry up those onions until they're nice and translucent like so. And now we added in a little bit of flour. And next we're going to add in, oh no, we're not, we're adding in ketchup. Look at me forgetting my videos and everything like that. I added in ketchup. Now the ketchup adds a nice taste. Do not skip out on that part, even though I almost did. And now we're going to add in the broth. Now this is beef broth. If you want to use vegetable broth, you can. Again, you could print the recipe on or from iHeartRecipes.com. And now we're going to place the meat right back in the pan. And right now, it just like hit me that this was actually done 8 years ago. This is crazy, y'all. I still feel like I just posted this just the other day. Now we just let this cook in the broth until it's nice and thick and just like so. And once it is done, you're just gonna serve it up. Now for this particular meal, I served it with my southern green beans and mashed potatoes. And can I just let you know that that gravy was, ooh, like I could still taste it. As a matter of fact, I think I'm going to just get off of here right now and go make this. Like, seriously, it is still in heavy rotation in my household. I just couldn't remember the steps that I had in this video. That's it. But thank y'all for watching. Don't forget, go over to iHeartRecipes.com so you can get the exact measurements.